Imagine, yung host yung magdadala ng buong show eh. I mean, yes, everybody's there, all the suppliers, pero siya yung kinakailangan na mag-put ng mood dun sa whole event.
During the time that we were looking for a host on our wedding, we tried asking our suppliers, and surprisingly, they were telling just one name, and it's Max.
He's very talented. This guy can do anything.
I think he is very innovative in terms of his games, programs.
Pwede mo siyang maging kaibigan, hindi mo iisipin na supplier mo siya. Pero nandun yung pagiging professional. I mean, there's the boundary.
Not just an MC, but he's actually a planner also.
He helped us conceptualize everything from the beginning until the end. He was there.
He helps you with your own concept.
Very hands-on siya when it comes to planning.
Hindi mo akalain ang galing niyang kumanta. Nasa kanya na lahat. I could say that my debut was definitely a huge success. I owe a huge part of it to you, Sir Max.
What I love about Max, he is super talented. He can speak in Mandarin, English, and in Tagalog. Max is very approachable and very passionate in what he's doing.
Sometimes pag may nakikita siyang problem, he takes the initiative, initiative to help out kung paano makatulong in his own way.
The first thing that I noticed about Max is that he's very professional and he's very dedicated to his craft. He constantly improves on it.
Once you call him, you ask him something, you get his opinion, he just responds. Parang you get to have this relationship already kahit na hindi naman talaga kayo magkakilala ng matagal.
We were looking for 3 things in an MC. 1, we want someone who is fun, yung kaya niyang pa-join yung crowd. Second, we want someone who has experience. And lastly, we want someone who's reliable.
He made everybody stay and he entertained each and everyone in that room. I was so happy. I couldn't ask for a better host.
Very holistic.
He loves what he do and he enjoys what he do.
He's an awesome host. He has the X factor.
Maganda yung kinalabasan ng aming weddings.
Well-rounded kasi siya. I'm beyond satisfied with his professionalism.
Not only did we get a host, we got a wedding coordinator, and we gained a friend.
We are happy with him.
Sobrang punctual.
Highly recommended.
Yes.
Why Max? Because simply
The Mr. Life of the party.